Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling the Android screen reader so you can hear interface elements immediately. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, and turn on Talk Back or Select to Speak. Once enabled, you'll hear spoken feedback. Make sure your device is charged and unlocked before you start, and plug in headphones if you prefer private audio. If you want quick access, set the accessibility shortcut now, triple press power or volume keys. This gets you speaking feedback without extra setup, so you can move to touch exploration. Once TalkBack is active, you'll learn the gestures that let you control Android. Explore by touch. Run your finger over the screen and listen to labels, then swipe right or left to move focus between items. To open or activate an item, double-tap anywhere on the screen. Use two-finger scrolling to move whole pages and swipe up or down with one finger to change granularity by character, word, or line so you can read text precisely. Practice these until they feel natural. You'll finish by tailoring TalkBack to your needs and knowing how to fix common issues. Open TalkBack settings to change speech rate, verbosity, and vibration. Make sure to run the built-in tutorial to reinforce gestures. Connect an external keyboard or braille display if you need them. Android supports many devices. If you lose speech feedback or gestures stop working, make sure to restart the accessibility service or reboot the phone. That simple step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.